In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Ubersuggest account. We'll walk through the process from the Ubersuggest website, keeping it simple and clear. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is typically permanent and can remove your projects, settings, and saved data. If you're sure you want to proceed, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Ubersuggest. You can also type the official address directly if you know it, but searching is fine. This just gets us to the correct place quickly. From the results, click the official Ubersuggest link. Double-check the web address to make sure you're on the real site and not a lookalike. If you see ads or sponsored results at the top, scroll past them until you find the genuine listing. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign-in option, usually at the top right. Click it and log in with your usual method. If you've connected a third-party login like Google, continue with that option. If you're already signed in, you can skip straight to the next action. After you're logged in, head to your profile area in the top right corner. It may appear as your photo, initials, or a user icon. Click it to open the account menu. In that menu, choose Account and Billing. This is the central place for your plan details, invoices, and key account controls, including deletion. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to scroll or expand a section to see it. Now, scroll to the very bottom of the Account and Billing page and click Delete My Account. The wording may vary slightly, but it will clearly refer to deleting your account. Take a moment to read any notes on what will be removed or how this affects your access. If you have an active plan, this is also where you can see your current billing status. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the deletion. You may be asked to confirm your identity, re-enter your password, or type a confirmation phrase. Some users may receive a confirmation email or a final pop-up reminding you that the action is irreversible. Continue through those steps until you see a confirmation message. When it's done, you'll typically be signed out, and your account will be scheduled for deletion or removed immediately, depending on their process. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to Ubersuggest, signed in, opened your profile, accessed account and billing, clicked Delete My Account, and completed the prompts. If anything looks different on your screen, try a desktop browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.